Wow, what an absolutely stunning blonde bob makeover. This one ends just above the shoulders and the color looks absolutely amazing. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. Here we have another gorgeous blonde makeover. Now this particular bob does end just around the shoulders, really making it more of a shoulder length bob look. This, of course, is also known as a lob haircut, very popular hair trend that we have been seeing for the past couple of years. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have another very popular hot hair idea, and that includes the look of layers. So the stylist adds some face framing layers and bangs to her hair. Now, this would be a great subtle hair change to make if you wanted to mix things up with your style but not do anything too drastic. Very nice. Perfect fresh look just in time for the fall season. Loving this layered shoulder length bob. Next up, we have a nice little cut refresh makeover. So she ends up getting a nice pixie hairstyle here. Loving the choppy texture that it has. Full bangs going there in the front. And a shaven nape area with the sides. Now this is another very popular hairstyle that we have been seeing in 2023. Next up, we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. Looks like she's getting a slight trim here. Ooh, I love the feathered tassel texture that the stylist is doing with the curling iron. This really creates a lot of fullness within the strands. Wow, beautiful curtain bangs. This is such a trendy hairstyle. I absolutely love the way that this came out. So cute and chic. All right, you guys, so I'm going to leave you to check out the last couple of hair transformations.